Does using protein powder really prevent muscle loss? Or is it just a temporary effect? Can muscle loss be prevented with natural foods? Today, we will find the answers to all these questions together. This expensive powder is often mixed into post-workout protein shakes and yogurt. But is its content really as clean as we think? Many people are still undecided on this issue. These protein powders, which are claimed to contribute to muscle growth, have a significant market share. Unlike natural methods, this industry often encourages people to spend more money. The most popular protein powder on the market, as most of you know, is whey protein or whey powder. So, what's really in it? Actually, whey protein itself is not harmful. It is a natural protein derived from dairy products. But here's where the problem begins. Many brands add flavors, sweeteners, and thickening agents to this powder. This is the real point of contention. Some products use artificial sweeteners, especially sucralose or aspartame, which can cause bloating, stomach upset, and even disrupt the gut flora in sensitive individuals. So the problem isn't the protein itself, but the additives. Does it harm the kidneys? This is also a big question mark. If your kidneys are healthy, there is no scientific evidence that using protein powder harms the kidneys, so it's actually in the same category as eating eggs or chicken. But if you have chronic kidney disease, protein leakage, or low GFR, then protein powder can be really risky. In this case, you should definitely consult your doctor. In short, protein powder is not harmful when chosen correctly, but it is not suitable for everyone. And getting the same support from natural foods is often both safer and more beneficial. Plus, you don't need to worry about their ingredients. They are completely natural and reliable. Protein powders were first produced for athletes and bodybuilders. The goal was to provide high-quality protein quickly and conveniently. Starting in the 1970s, whey, casein, and soy proteins entered the market and now represent a huge industry. But you should know this. These products are not natural. With the addition of sweeteners, flavors, and processing, protein powder is no longer a completely natural food. Moreover, some people may experience side effects such as stomach problems, kidney strain with excessive use, or palpitations if it contains energy-boosting ingredients. So protein powder is really just a commercial product and is not essential for most people. Especially with natural foods, you can both prevent muscle loss and maintain a healthy, clean diet. Now we'll show you 4 natural superfoods that will strengthen your muscles without needing protein powder. We'll move on to foods, but let me make a quick reminder. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the health content I share. Let's meet in the comments. Do you use protein powder? What type of protein supplement do you prefer? Let's talk about the first protein superfood that not many people know about, ricotta cheese. A supernatural option for protecting and strengthening your muscles. Cottage cheese and yogurt are great, but ricotta cheese is in a league of its own. It contains enough protein to be even more effective than some protein powders at preventing muscle loss. In fact, it starts repairing your muscles within minutes of consumption. Ricotta provides the whey found in protein powders in its natural form, and of course there are no artificial sweeteners or processed additives. Curious about what happens when you eat ricotta? Your muscles immediately switch to repair mode. Ricotta cheese contains the amino acid leucine. This means it triggers muscle protein synthesis, accelerates muscle repair, helps reduce age-related muscle loss. So it's not just protein, it's a natural superfood that supports muscle growth and maintenance. In short, you're getting whey in its natural form, which you might otherwise find in protein powder. Get ready because I'm about to introduce you to a protein superfood that most people never think about. Watermelon. Yes, you heard right. This fruit we eat to cool off in the summer also helps prevent muscle loss. Yes, this sweet fruit we eat to cool off in the summer actually helps protect your muscles. So how? Here's how watermelon affects your muscles. L-citrulline. This amino acid, found in abundance in watermelon, reduces muscle fatigue and supports muscle repair. It converts to arginine in your body, increasing nitric oxide production, which helps deliver more blood and nutrients to your muscles. In a study, athletes who drank 500 milliliters of watermelon juice before exercise experienced a significant reduction in muscle soreness after exercise. Researchers indicate that this is due to increased nitric oxide production and greater nutrient transport to the muscles. thanks to the L-citrulline in watermelon. So while you're cooling off in the summer, you're actually strengthening your muscles naturally. Nitric oxide improves blood flow by dilating blood vessels, making it beneficial for older adults with circulation problems. 2. Water and electrolytes. Watermelon is 90% water and rich in potassium. It reduces the risk of dehydration, which is common in older adults, and supports muscle function and circulation. These electrolytes, which are necessary for muscle contractions and energy production, prevent dehydration and maintain your performance. Increased blood flow and potassium content allow more nutrients and electrolytes to reach the muscles. This can help reduce cramps, especially in the leg and foot muscles. 3. Antioxidants. Lycopene, which gives watermelon its red color, protects muscle cells from oxidative stress and reduces inflammation. When consumed regularly, it speeds up muscle repair. The antioxidant lycopene protects muscle cells from oxidative stress. It supports easier movement by reducing muscle fatigue and cramps. In short, while watermelon isn't a protein source, it's a natural superfood that supports muscle recovery. As you cool off in the summer, you're actually strengthening your muscles. Our next muscle-saving food, canned salmon. Pink or sockeye salmon are caught in their natural habitat and are a great source of protein for your muscles. Plus, since it's canned, you can enjoy it quickly and conveniently. A small can provides 25 grams of protein. And the best part, the omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA it contains, are particularly valuable for muscle health and circulation, especially for older adults. You've probably heard a lot about EPA-DHA supplements, so why are omega-3 fatty acids so important? Muscle growth and maintenance are directly linked to protein synthesis. DHA and EPA increase muscle protein synthesis by activating the mTOR signaling pathway in muscle cells. Muscle protein synthesis naturally decreases, especially in older adults. Omega-3 supplementation can support this. Anti-inflammatory. Micro damage and inflammation in muscles after exercise can slow down muscle repair. EPA and DHA promote faster muscle recovery by reducing pro-inflammatory cytokines. EPA and DHA suppress pro-inflammatory cytokines in the body. This can reduce joint inflammation and swelling. Studies show that regular omega-3 supplementation alleviates joint pain and stiffness, especially in patients with osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Slows muscle loss, sarcopenia. Muscle loss, sarcopenia, is common as we age. Studies show that omega-3 intake in older adults helps maintain muscle mass and strength. Omega-3 reduces muscle fatigue, speeds up recovery, and reduces muscle pain for athletes and the elderly. So consuming canned salmon or other omega-3 sources is very beneficial for both muscle protection and post-exercise recovery. 4th superfood. Eggs. And here's our 4th muscle-saving food, eggs. There may still be a lot of uncertainty about eggs, but research shows that just one egg provides most of the essential protein and vitamins the body needs for a day. Unlike other animal protein sources like meat or fish, the body can fully utilize all the protein in eggs. In other words, it is a complete natural protein source. Eggs contain all the essential amino acids necessary for muscle repair and muscle production. Contains leucine. Leucine is an important amino acid that triggers muscle protein synthesis. This helps slow down age-related muscle loss, sarcopenia. It is a source of vitamins and minerals. It contains nutrients that support muscle health, such as vitamin B12, vitamin D, selenium, and zinc. Studies show that people who eat whole eggs after exercise increase muscle protein synthesis much more than those who consume only egg whites. This means your muscles repair and strengthen faster after exercise. The reason for this is that eggs contain complete protein, and the body can utilize all of the essential amino acids they contain. Thanks to amino acids such as leucine, which trigger muscle protein synthesis, eggs also help slow down muscle loss that occurs with age. So there's no need for expensive protein powders. Eggs, found in your kitchen, are a natural and effective support for your muscles. If you want more detailed information about eggs, you can watch the egg video I made earlier now. Here are 4 superfoods we've learned to protect and strengthen your muscles. ricotta cheese, watermelon, canned salmon, and eggs. Remember, there's no need for expensive protein powders. These natural foods both support your muscle health and provide the protein and nutrients your body needs. If you want to watch a more detailed video about eggs, you can click on the card in the upper right corner. You can also see other helpful health and nutrition videos on our channel on the right side at the end of the video. If you liked the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Share your thoughts in the comments. Which protein source do you prefer? See you in the next video. Stay healthy.